Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students. Dear students, our today's topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question number 1. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Creative Question number 1, and this is lecture number 3, and our today's HW number is also 3 number. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, I have written here creative question 1 number and the answer also. At first, let's see the question. Creative question number 1 here is, the area of Farhan's reading room is 40 square meters and its length is 10 meters. The length of his reading table is 1 meter and breadth is 50 centimeter. Farhan's mother put another table of same size in that room. Question is here A number, what is the unit of length? And B number question, why it is essential to measure? And C number, what is the breadth of Farhan's reading room? And D number question, how much area will remain unoccupied in the room after keeping the 2 tables? For A number question, answer is here, the international unit of length is meter. The international unit of length is meter. And for B number, answer is here, we cannot get an accurate idea of anything by just guessing. Only by measuring it, we can judge the amount of something. Now, students, for C number, here is the calculation. We have to find out Farhan's reading room breadth. Okay, for this we have to write here. Here Farhan's reading room area is given 40 meter square and length is 10 meter according to the question. And now we will find out. Here we will write here the formula, area equal to length multiply breadth, and now we have to find out the breadth equal to area by length. Then we will place the value of area here. Area is 40 meter square and here is length value is 10 meter. If we calculate this, then we will find here 4 meter. That means answer is Farhan's reading room breadth is 4 meter. For D number, here is another calculation. For D number, we will write here for first table length is 1 meter and breadth is given 50 centimeter. So we have to convert this centimeter into meter. Then if we multiply with this 100, then we will find here 0.5 meter because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Then we will write here the formula of area equal to length multiply breadth, and if we place their value, length value is 1 meter and the breadth value is here now 0.5 meter. If we multiply them, then we will find here 0.5 meter square. Now come to here, Farhan's mother put another same size table in that room. So area of second table is 0.5 meter square. Total area of 2 table, if we add them 0.5 plus 0.5 meter square, then we will find here 1 meter square. Area of Farhan's room is 40 meter square. Remaining area unoccupied in the reading room after keeping the 2 table is area of total room minus after areas of 2 tables. areas of total room minus areas of 2 tables. Then if we place value here, area of total room is here 40, and if we subtract areas of 2 table is 1, then we will find here 39 meters square. So answer will be unoccupied area is 39 meters square. Students, now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 3 number, and your HW will be CQ number 1, and the sub number will be B and C. And here is the B number answer, and here is C number answer, and it will be your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN HW in your HW copy.